Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious orange chiffon cake using royal Tru-Orange. This cake is light, fluffy, and full of orange flavor. It's perfect for any occasion, but it's especially good for dessert. In a bowl, combine flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar. Make a well at the center. Add the egg yolks, royal Tru-Orange soda, and oil. Blend until smooth. This is the batter. In a separate bowl, beat egg whites and cream of tartar until soft peaks form. Gradually add the sugar and continue beating until stiff. Fold meringue into batter. Pour into tube pans and bake for about 20 minutes or until done. Invert the cake onto a rack to cool. Ice the cake and serve.